Hello students, I am Snehal from KLE Society's BCA College, Nipani. So the session which we are going to discuss in this session, that is nothing but the next type of a testing, that is nothing but the integration testing. So in the integration testing, the content which we are going to discuss with this session is nothing but the integration testing. So in the previous sessions we covered with the different types of the black box testing, and almost we covered with the 9 different types of the black box testing. So when we want to consider the next type of the type of a testing, that is nothing but the integration testing. So why this integration testing is very important when we want to consider this type of a part in the software testing. So in this integration testing, we need to consider that when we want to develop any software or any application, it is going to be developed in small parts or in small pieces. So when an application is developed in a small part or small pieces, then all these parts and pieces are going to be merged or integrated with each other. So that is nothing but our the integration testing. So the integration testing is nothing but integrating the different modules or the different parts of the codes together. Now, when we are going to integrate that different parts together, then we can say that all these parts are tested individually, but then also we need to do the integration testing. Now why this integration is required and why there is a need to do the integration testing? See, when we are developed any application or any module individually or within a small pieces, then we can say that these pieces are going to be tested individually, but when we want to integrate them with each other, then we need to check whether they are integrated appropriately or not as per the specification which has been getting collected in the requirement analysis of the SRS. So the integration testing is required. So now what is the integration testing? Here we need to consider. So, what is the definition of the integration testing? So, the integration testing is defined as a type of a testing where the software modules are integrated logically and tested as a group. Now, what it means that, see, it is the type of a testing where the software modules are integrated logically. Now, for example, for to understand this type of a testing very effectively, you need to consider a simple example. Now when we are going to develop an application, suppose for example consider that we are developing in a bank application. Okay, so when we want to develop a bank application, the first thing which we are considered over here, that we need a customer. Okay, those the customer who are going to invest the money within the bank. So for that purpose we are having, or we are going to create an accounts of the we are going to create an accounts of the customer. So when a customer is going to deposit the money in the bank, the balance of the customer is going to be added. Okay, now when the customer is going to withdraw the money from the bank, then we can say that this money will be get subtracted from the available balance. So this is the application. So when any developer is trying to develop an applications on the basis of such a type of a requirement, now for it may happen that a developer is going to develop an application separately for depositing the money and for withdrawing the money. Now afterwards we need to integrate them, which is mainly focusing on, or which is mainly getting affected on the balance that which we are having with us. So when we want to this integration, what is the main focus will be get considered over there? Whatever may be the deposited amount is there, it will be get added into the our main balance, and when we want to performs the withdrawing, then it will be get decreased from our main balance. So that is nothing but we can say that it is the type of a testing where the software modules are integrated logically. Then we can say that these modules are going to be tested or integrated logically, and it should be get tested as a group. So this is the one type of example which we are going to consider. So for more better understanding, for example, consider again a simple example that when an organization is going to be built up. Okay, at that time an organization is collecting the requirements from the customer. So when our requirements is going to be collected from the customer, according to that the purchase and sales will be get considered to develop an application. So the purchase and sales both are the different models. Now purchase means what? Here a customer is going to purchase something from that organization, or the organization is going to purchase and raw material from the any third party organization. Now whatever may be the raw material is purchased from any third party organization, the purchase bills and the purchase documentation is going to be maintained over there. Now according to that, according to the collected raw material, they are going to use that raw material to generate a final product, and that final product will be get sell out to the customer or to the required customer, which we are going to say that. So then we can say that this purchase and sales module will be get integrated with each other. Why? Because when we are going to purchase something, for that purpose also we need to consider what is the main balance which we are having with us to purchase a material. And when we are selling something, then we can say that it should be get considered that whatever may be the amount or whatever may be the balance which we are having, it will be get increased automatically. So that is the techniques where we can say that all the software modules are going to be integrated logically with each other. So this integration is very much helpful and required for the software which we have developed. Okay, so a typical software project consists of a multiple software modules and coded by different programs. Okay, programmers, and the integration testing focuses on changing the data communication amongst all these models. Okay, see now it is going to what it is going to telling you that. So when we are developing any software, so how to develop the software, it is the different thing. Okay, why? Because we learn the different phases of the software development, and that phases are nothing but the requirement analysis is there, planning is there, then designing is there, then development is there, then we can say that the testing is there, then the deployment is there, and after that a maintenance is there. So these are the phases which we are going to consider for the development of the software. But when that software is developed, again that software is having the consist of a multiple software models, and that software models will be get coded by the different programmers. Now this is the actually we can say that this is actually the company's need, that they are going to use the different types of programmers to develop a multiple software models. Why? Because a single person is not efficient to do the development of all the types of models. So that is the multiple software models. So the integration testing focuses on checking the data communication amongst all the models which we are having within the software. Integration testing focuses on checking the data communication, which means that how the data is going to be flowed from one module to the another module. Why? Because all these modules are dependent on each other, whatever may be the models which we are having with us. See, a customer is related with an organization. Why? Because the customer is going to purchase a product from an organization, so which means that they are related with each other. So when a customer is purchasing something from an organization, we need the details of the customers. Oh, according to that we need to show that the data will be get flowed accordingly with the requirement of the development, or the according to the customer's requirement. So then and then only we can say that whatever may be the software or whatever may be the application which we have developed, it is as per the customer's requirement. So this is the mainly considered that integration testing, where it is going to be focuses on, it is focuses on checking the data communication amongst the different types of a model. So this is also termed as INT, that is nothing but integration and testing, or we can say that the string testing, or sometimes it is considered as a thread testing. So in the diagrammatic view, they have shows the different where the actually integration testing is coming. See, the first part from the bottom, when you are going to see, that is nothing but the unit testing. After that we are going to consider, or we must have to consider the integration testing, then the system testing, and then the acceptance testing. So unit testing is basically considered when and the different modules are developed by considering a small pieces of a code. Now when the small pieces of a codes are going to be developed or considered, according to that all these units are going to be integrated with each other. Now when they are going to be integrated with each other, the integration testing is going to be performed. Now when that integration testing is done, then we can say that the system testing is there. Now what it means that when we are going to integrate that all the sub modules together, then it is nothing but a system as a whole. And to do that we are going to perform, or to check that system we are going to do the system testing. Now after that words we need to consider the acceptance testing. Now acceptance testing is there, or where it is required to consider that this acceptance testing is nothing but whether the application or whether the software is going to be accepted by the, whether it is going to be accepted by the customer or not. So that is the acceptance testing. So where we are going to consider that the integration testing is coming, the integration testing is coming in the middle of system testing and unit testing. So what is the unit testing? A unit testing is nothing but it is the smallest piece or code that will be get tested out, a smallest part of a program which will be get tested out. Integration means what? By combining the different types of units and the small pieces of a codes together, then it is nothing but the integration testing. Now the system means what? Whatever may be the integrations of a different types of a module is done, then it is nothing but the integration, or that is nothing but the system as a whole, and this system of a whole as is going to be tested according to the requirement specification which they have collected in the SRS, that is nothing but the software requirement specification. And at the last is nothing but the acceptance testing. So the what is the acceptance testing? The acceptance testing is nothing but whether the software is accepted by the user or not. So that is the acceptance testing. So when we are having an integration testing with each other, or when we are performing an integration testing within an organization, we can say that although each software models is a unit tested and defects still exist for the various reasons, there may be a various reason. We can say that each and every software model is going to be done, or it is has that model is undergone through the unit testing. Why? Because unit testing is the previous stage where we are going to fix out the defects. So if by mistakenly that defects are remain within an application or within a software, then we can say that defect still exists for the various reason. So when a module is there, okay, in general it is designed by an individual software developer. Now that developer is who is understanding and programming the logic may differ from the others programmers. Now see why these defects will be get occur. Why? Because a company or the organization is always going to divide the modules into the different types of programmers, and that programmers are going to generate the code for that appropriate module. So whatever maybe the programming logic is there, or whatever maybe the understanding things are there with them, according to that they are going to generate an application. So the thinking of the person is may going to be different, so according to that the logic may going to be different, according to that we can say that the understanding may going to be different. So we can say that these are the reasons where the defect still exists in a software model. So the integration testing becomes necessary to verify the software models where which works in a unity. Why we are requiring the integration testing? The integration testing becomes necessary to verify the software models that works in a unity, which means that we need to collect all these small pieces or units of a codes together, and according to that we can say that these software models are going to be work in a unity by considering the integration testing. So at the time of the module development, there are the wide chance of the requirements by the clients. Yes, definitely. At the time of module development, there are the wide chances of the change in the requirements by the customer. See, the customer is the person who has that much we can say that much power that they can change their requirements, and basically always the customers are going to change their requirement as and when required. So when the customers are going to be change their requirements, then we can say that whatever may be the applications or we are going to develop, it is totally based on the customer's requirement. So these requirements may not be unit tested, and hence the system integration testing becomes necessary. Why? Because we are started with the work of the software development, so it may happen that sometimes the unit testing is going to be not done for all the requirements which has been getting collected from the customers, or whatever may be the new requirements that will be get collected. So for that purpose, or hence for that purpose, the system integration testing is becomes necessary in the software development process. So we can say that the interfaces of the software models with the database could be erroneous. Okay, so external hardware interfaces, if any, it could be erroneous, or inadequate exception handling could causes an issue. It may happen that how the errors can be occurred during the application or the system development. So in all, this is nothing but overall about the integration testing. So what is the integration testing? So the integration testing is defined as the type of the testing where the software modules are integrated together logically and it will be get tested at as a group. So it is nothing but typically when we are going to, or when we are trying to develop any software or project, it is always consist of a multiple software modules and it will be get coded by the different types of a programmers. So that integration testing is required. Why? Because each and every person is going to think out in a different way. They are going to understand some of the things in a different way. So what we need to consider over here, we need to consider that the integration testing is required over there. Why? Because when the requirements from the customers are going to be changing, when that customers requirements of the customers are going to be changed again and again, then it may happen that these new requirements may not be get unit tested, and hence for that purpose it is necessary to include it is necessary for the inclusion of the system integration testing. So here are the interfaces of the software modules are there with the data with the databases that could be a erroneous. Now which type of interfaces are there? Some of the external interfaces are there, external hardware interfaces, if any, it could be erroneous, or inadequate exception handling causes could cause an issues. See, exception handling when it comes, see, as and many times I told you the example that when we need to handle or when we need to implement this exception handling, see, simple example is that if we want to divide any two integer numbers, and if my dividend is equal to 0, then it is not possible to divide any number by 0. So when we are going to divide any number by 0, then it is always going to show us an infinite answer. So it should be get handled. So that is nothing but the exception handling, and it should be get considered. These are the issues where we can say that some erroneous will be get occurred in the system development. So for that purpose, an integration testing is required. So this is nothing but overall about the integration testing. So this is the session which we are going to discuss with the integration testing. In the next session we are going to focus on the interfaces of the testing.